go to gym. In a small, bustling city in the USA, an Indian student named Arjun stepped into a local gym for the first time. He had recently arrived in America to pursue his studies and was eager to join a gym to stay fit and healthy. The bright lights and the sound of weights clinking filled him with both excitement and a bit of nervousness. As Arjun approached the reception, a friendly staff member greeted him. "Hello? How can I assist you today?" she asked with a smile. "I would like to join the gym and maybe register for a class. I'm thinking about weight training," Arjun replied, his voice slightly shaky due to his nervousness. "Sure, I can help with that. Let's start with a tour, and then we can look at the class schedule," the staff member said, guiding Arjun around the gym. She showed him various equipment, treadmills, ellipticals, and weight machines. Arjun listened attentively, nodding and asking questions. The staff member explained everything in simple terms, making it easier for Arjun to understand. After the tour, they looked at the class schedule. "We have a beginner's weight training class. It's great for starting out," she suggested. Arjun liked the idea and registered for the class. He felt a sense of achievement, having taken the first step towards his fitness goals in this new country. On the day of his first weight training class, Arjun felt a mix of excitement and apprehension. He changed into his gym clothes and entered the class, where other students were warming up. The instructor, a tall man with an encouraging smile, introduced himself as Coach Mike. "Welcome, everyone! Let's start with some basic weightlifting techniques," Coach Mike announced, demonstrating each move. Arjun tried to follow along, carefully mimicking the movements. He struggled with some exercises, but Coach Mike was always there to help, correcting his posture and offering words of encouragement. During breaks, Arjun chatted with his classmates. They shared tips and experiences, making Arjun feel more at ease. He was improving his English and learning about different cultures, all while getting fitter. Weeks passed, and Arjun grew more confident in the gym. He learned how to use different weights and machines, slowly building his strength. The gym became a place where he not only worked on his physical health but also forged friendships and found a sense of belonging in this new country. Reflecting on his journey, Arjun realized how much he had grown since his first day in the USA. He had overcome his initial fears and uncertainties, embracing the new experiences and challenges. The gym had played a significant role in his adaptation to life in America, providing a supportive community and a space to grow stronger, both physically and mentally.